Alright, we found this video on YouTube of these guys putting this metal on a train track and turn the light on. Kind of dark out here, but you look right there. That little tower thing right there is the light tower. We're going to try to turn that bitch on. What we're going to do is we're going to take this metal. Taylor, would you grab that side over there? And we're going to rub it on the rails. See if it works. You ready? I don't think it's going to work.
Look at his fart. Look. What the fuck?
Well, honestly, YouTube, that was a waste of time. But
Fuck them.
oh well.